The human brain is programmed to perceive logic, structure, and patterns. It enables us to make sense of things that happen around us. A major reason that humans perceive the world and the objects within it into organized, regular, and symbol shapes, schemas, figures, or forms is due to how we visually interpret the world. This is all to say that our brain often sees things different than what is present. If you are aware of optical illusions or the famous gorilla in a crowd study, you know that we often don't process everything in our vision. The fact is that there is just too much for our brains to take in, and if we did, we would be paralyzed by trying to interpret it all. So what our brains do? It simplifies. Gestalt Principles are laws of human perception that describe how humans group similar elements, recognize patterns, and simplify complex images when we perceive objects. Designers use the principles to organize content on the website and other interfaces so it is aesthetically pleasing and easy to understand. Gestalt is German for unified whole. The first Gestalt principle were devised in the 1920s by German psychologists who aimed to understand how humans typically gain meaningful perceptions from the messy stimuli around them. They identify a set of laws which address the natural compulsion to find order in disorder. According to this, the mind informs what the eye sees by perceiving a series of individual elements as a whole. Professionals in the then growing industry of graphic designs quickly adopted these principles, and designers have since used Gestalt principles extensively to craft designs with well-placed elements that catch the eye as larger whole images. So, why is it so important to understand these laws of perception when working in data visualization? Well, for one, they can help guide your decision making as you put together a graph or a dashboard. Additionally, they'll help your reader better organize and interpret charts and graphs and make sense of the information visually with exceptional speed. From the next session onwards, we will learn 13 principles called as the Gestalt Principle, which will sit as the foundation for everything we do visually as designers. See you in the next session. Thank you.